So currently KNUST updated their app. I just wanted to give you an update of how I also rebuild it with a different framework, that's Flutter. So if you found this video to be useful and interesting, consider subscribing by hitting the bell icon and like the video as well. Don't forget to share as well to help reach many people. So with that said, let's jump right in. So I created a playlist, which is almost a year now, of how to build the KNUST AIM app with React Native. So on the first day, we work on the login and the sign up screen. The next day, we continue with the home screen and also implement some stack navigation between the screens. Day 3 was the drawer navigation, and we also concluded with a new feature that wasn't available, that's the dark mode feature. And currently they just updated their app, so I just changed my way of doing things and I rebuilt it with Flutter, and here's how it looks like. Let's get into it. So if you want a tutorial of how to build it with Flutter, leave a comment in the section below.